Welcome to Bessemer, Alabama, where history meets progress. In this video, we'll uncover 15 fascinating facts about this unique city, from its industrial roots to its thriving community. Let's take a closer look at all Bessemer has to offer. Let's dive into 15 amazing facts about Bessemer. Fact number 1. Bessemer is located in the heart of Alabama, just southwest of Birmingham, with a rich industrial history. Fact number 2. Bessemer's population is around 27,000, making it a vibrant small city with a big history. Fact number 3. Known as the Steel City, Bessemer played a major role in the American steel industry in the early 20th century. Fact number 4. The Bessemer Hall of History showcases the city's past, from its mining and steelmaking roots to its cultural heritage. Fact number 5. Bessemer is home to Alabama Splash Adventure, a fun water park and amusement park, perfect for family fun. Fact number 6. The city has a great selection of parks, including the large Powderly Park for outdoor activities. Fact number 7. Bessemer boasts a thriving farmers market, offering fresh local produce and handmade goods. Fact number 8. The Bessemer Public Library is a community hub, hosting events, workshops, and resources for all ages. Fact number 9. Bessemer was a major stop on the Alabama and Vicksburg Railroad, which helped shape its growth in the 19th century. Fact number 10. The Southern Railway Depot in Bessemer is a historic landmark that highlights the city's railroad heritage. Fact number 11. Food lovers can enjoy southern staples at local spots like Papa's Place and Chick's Barbecue. Fact number 12. Bessemer Municipal Airport connects the city to the region with convenient air travel options. Fact number 13. The Bessemer Superfund site is an important environmental cleanup project to restore the city's natural resources. Fact number 14. Bessemer is revitalizing its downtown area with new businesses, restaurants, and shops sprouting up. Fact number 15. The Bessemer Civic Center hosts concerts, events, and activities that bring the community together. And there you have it, 15 amazing facts about Bessemer, Alabama. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts about cool places. See you next time.